We'd love for you to try this chutney out. So visit chutnefy.com to order today. Chutney is not just a condiment, but an emotion you feel. I'm Rakesh Raghunathan, and I have set out on a journey to find such chutneys and bring them to the forefront. I present to you a food discovery show where it's not about you watching. Instead, we are discovering it, getting the recipes from the source, recreating it, and with Chutnefy, bringing it out for you and the world to enjoy. Welcome to the Great Indian Chutney Hunt. Kozhikode, the city of spices. The culinary capital of Kerala cannot be missed when food is being documented. The proud custodian of the Kozhikodan cuisine is Abida Rasheed, who has established her foothold as a chef, food historian, and a YouTuber. Her energy is contagious, just like her recipes. Your house here is like walking into a museum with all kinds of artifacts, antiques, old utensils and all of that. Tell me about how your interest in food started.
You see, it was only food that it was. Education and all was not a compulsory thing. I was born in 62, not now. At that time, there was no importance for women and education. It is at that time, slowly it was coming. But me, I got education from my started. But I found my grandmother, my grandmother's mother, as a matriarchal family, we lived together, right? So they were all busy making food. And it was only thing, like we didn't have movies, we didn't have any beach, we didn't have anything to go out. It was only the house and the women are there and they were creating new things. So the actual going out is what, inviting my cousins from that house to this house. And the food is different from both houses. So my aunt's children who wants to come here, they would love to eat what is the speciality of this house. So every time you started making more and more innovation and the flavors where it worked. And together with that, there is so much of importance to food in this culture.
So in my travels across India, especially the south of India, there is just so much variety in terms of pickles, podis and chutneys and all of that, seasonal ones that are made. But what are different kinds of chutneys that you make in this side of Kerala?
I think there's not much importance for chutneys as I consider with Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, because their basic is idli, dosa maybe. We have the puttu and appam which never goes with chutneys.
Yeah.
So dosa is also not a culture, but it is just coming here. Mm-hmm. But chutneys are very important with biryani.
Biryani?
Biryani has chutney. I know other places they have some sort of Vaidiringa kootu.
Okay.
In Karnataka they have, we call it, who the hell will eat biryani with sambar? That's the intention what we say. We have a belief that our biryani is the best in the world. That,
in Tamil Nadu they also make a biryani dalcha, which is a very, salna, sambar.
We don't have any salna.
But this chutney is very interesting. Tell me about it for
chutney
biryani.
Is very interesting because we use it as a tongue tantalizer or something. It is a very necessary part in a biryani than that curd raita. Chutney is very, very important. And this chutney is made in a very special way.
Okay.
Even though we are coconuties, we have coconut as a base, but the best part of it is spice. This is brought in with the kandari, the bird's eye chili, and then the sarnas, that's more important. It's brought with vinegar as well as lime.
Oh, wow.
Both are sour.
Just when you talking about it, I'm able to even imagine this, but I would love for you to teach me how to make this chutney.
See, I would really make you do it on the stone.
Yes, I think we should do it like that.
How we do it. I still follow all those things.
Speaking of tradition, I can't wait for you to teach me to make this chutney.
So should we go? Chutney. Yes.
Yeah. Abidata. So we are here. You've told me so much about the chutney that you're going to make today. Even when you spoke to me about it, I could just imagine the different journey that chutney has had. And you're going to make it for me now.
See, for this chutney, exactly saying the stone is the best to cook, to grind chutneys.
Yes. So in this chutney, should it be a fine paste? Should it be coarse? How is it?
It shouldn't be a fine paste, it should be coarse. You have to push it, you roll it back. By the time the thing will
Can
stick
I try?
there. Try, no? It's an experience. That's an art. It is to be.
That is why I have come to learn from someone like you. So you're adding some lemon juice to it.
Not only lemon juice, I need surka.
Surka?
Ha.
Surka is the vinegar.
Yes, but Kerala's vinegar.
Ah.
Not your apple cider vinegar.
Okay.
Now, when we take toddy from the coconut tree, there's a residue. From that they make the surka. So a dash of surka.
அவ்வளவுதான். You finished the entire thing on this one amical.
Yeah. Even I could have grated my coconut here only to make it more easier.
This can't get more beautiful than this.
That's it. That's the chutney here.
Beautiful. You know, the crunch from the coconut, the waft of coriander, and that subtle karam, the spice that comes from bird's eye chili with the tang from both the lemon and vinegar.
Loving it.
Thank you. I love it. I love it. And I cannot wait to chutneyfy this. So Rajesh, when she made it on that amical, you know, the consistency that we got was just perfect like this. You know, she said you just need to roll it and it becomes a ball like that. So consistency wise, I think we have cracked it, but let me just taste. Needs a little bit more salt and maybe some lemon juice also. And then we can chutneyfy this.
Sure. Rakesh, final product is here.
I mean, just the way it has been powdered to this consistency and the coarseness, I can feel it. But now, what you just add water to this, no? I think this is just perfect, you know. See, the way she did it, and even when we ground the chutney here in the R&D kitchen, you were able to roll it like that.
Yes.
I think the consistency is right. I'll just need to taste this. Very, very good because I can get the karam, the kandari malaga oda karam irukku. Consistency of the chutney is perfect. The coarseness of the coconut is fine. And that elumichambazham and vinegar oda and the pulippu
And that tanginess
is very, very nice. I think we've really got this with the talasheri biryani and this chutney. Combination will be fantastic. I can't wait to try that.
Sure, we'll do that.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you, Rakesh.
And we'd love for you to try this chutney out. So visit chutnefy.com to order today.